So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla and this is Priscilla. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I am so glad that you are here. If you're here for the first time, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Also like and comment. Feel free to comment. If you are here for the second, third, 100th time, thank you for always watching my videos. If you've not yet subscribed, then this is definitely the time to do so. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to my channel. Let's go straight to what we are doing today. So guys, it's a new month. It's April. Today is Saturday, 1st of April, and I thought that I should take you guys through my weekend. So it's morning. I just got ready and I'm going for work. I'm having a t-shirt because it's a weekend, so it's a little bit loose. It doesn't have to be so strict during the weekend. So yeah, I'm going to work. Then after that, I'll just take you through my day. Unfortunately, I'll not take you to my workplace because it will get a little bit tricky. So guys, I'm going to work. Then after that, continue with our weekend. So come along guys, let's go. Guys, I'm now going for shopping. I just left work actually, so I'll take you guys along. So now these are the streets of Malindi town, guys. Malindi town is in the Kenyan coast. It's very hot in this town because it's just next to the Indian Ocean, so it's a coastal town. It's a beautiful town, though it's not so much developed, but it's a good town. As you can see, the buildings are not so out there, but the sun is so hot. Imagine this is how Malindi usually is every single day, every day. So now I'm just headed to the supermarket. It's not so far now, it's over there. Yeah, I'm walking to the supermarket, guys. The main means of transport is actually boda, the motorcycles. Yeah, as you can see, there's so many motorcycles. So here is the supermarket. I already got all the ingredients that I need, the meat and all the others, tomatoes, onions and others. So I'm I'm headed back to the house. So yeah guys, here we are. Let's get started with this cooking. So first of all, I'm going to wash my meat. Yeah. So let's wash it. So our meat is now clean, so I'll just add in some water for steaming so that it can soften up. I won't add a lot of water, just a little. Then I like to add salt when I'm steaming it so that it gets really deep inside there. Then I also like to add some onions to add taste. I don't know if I also love to add onion for taste. So I'll just go ahead and make this one. Real quick. Just a small onion, not a big one, for boiling with it. Oh my goodness. I really hate peeling onions. It's really annoying. Am I weird? Do you think I'm weird, guys? I hope you don't think so. Who else hates peeling onions? Please tell me if you also hate doing it. Because honestly, for me, I just hate it. So yeah. So I will wash it. And I'll just add it to the meat. Yeah. So then that's ready. I'll just put it on the fire. Then I'll continue preparing the other ingredients. Then I just realized I just had one matchstick left. So it was either that matchstick lights or I'm done. Okay, it's already on the fire, so we'll just go ahead and prepare the other ingredients. Let's start with what I hate the most, the onions.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us. Ain't no mess. I wanna tell you all my secrets. You can ask me. but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew.
Let's now dig in. And dig in. Yeah. So in a single room, you always just carry your things as you go. So how did I do it, guys? Rate my work on a scale of what? 1 to 10. Kindly write in the comment section. Take it as we go. So guys, allow me to eat. Let's test this food first. Let's test it. It's hot. It tastes good. Your girl did it. Yeah. So allow me, guys, to eat. Then I'll catch you up, guys, with my day. I'll update you as I go through my weekend. So
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break.